Why should you attend this workshop? Because you need to get found on the first page of Google for your most profitable keyword. Here behind me is a demonstration of the keyword real estate agent near me, or real estate agent in Cushing Park, Englewood, Colorado. There's my video, right there. See that? I'm about to play it for the class, but I'm above the Google Maps listing. I'm above Zillow. I'm above Redfin and Trulia and the government of Englewood. This is how powerful farming your neighborhood with YouTube videos can be. And if you're not on the first page of Google, you just don't exist. They can't find you, and so they're forced to go with your competitors, which in this case would be these companies right here. But I'm not even a realtor. So if you're a realtor and you're not making YouTube videos, you might just be standing at the back of the line wondering why you're not busier. So come to the workshop. These two are practicing best practices for YouTube videos.